Hey everyone, how you doing? How's everybody today? So I'm back here on the Honda bike. I had to go ahead and take a couple days and stuff because I had to go ahead and find the right O-rings and stuff like that for it. Also, I had to scour the internet and stuff looking for the clearances for the valves and stuff for this guy, which I found out, which is exhaust and intake .002, so it's very small and everything. So what I want to do first is I'm going to go ahead to make sure that I'm doing things right and everything. I'm going to go ahead and take out the spark plug and put in a compression tester, because I want to make sure that this thing has any compression problems or anything. If it does, I'll go ahead and adjust the valves. But if not, I'll just go ahead and keep it the way it is. You know, save me a little bit of trouble there. So let's go ahead. Okay, well, give me a couple minutes, YouTubers. Huh. Okay, let's see what we got here. I think this should do. Here we go. Okay. If you look at the spark plug and stuff, it looks like a little bit burned out and everything, but it looks good. It looks all right, so it doesn't seem like there's any problem with it. No, this ain't gonna work. I need a special one for this. Dang. Yeah, I don't have the right compression tester for this. I just have usually one that just works for cars and stuff like that. But this is a bike. It has a very small spark plug, so I'm not gonna be able to work it that way. But I know. Just have to do the old-fashioned way. I'm gonna go ahead. Go ahead and go through this way. Okay. Okay. to check on this guy, I'm gonna have to go ahead and go through okay. I have to go ahead and check, or go ahead and take off this guy's here. So I was looking on the internet for anything on this guy, and the thing is that Honda, this is a 2003 Honda bike, and Honda basically doesn't put out any more information on these older bikes, even though it's 2003, but we're 2020 and stuff, so that means this bike is about 17 years old, so basically it's too old. So it's not that easy sometimes to try to find anything on these guys. Anyway, so YouTubers, if any of you guys have any questions or anything you'd like to ask me, please put it down in the comments. Ooh, what's this here? Okay, that's kind of weird. They lost one nut there. Okay. Yeah, this looks really, really tight. It looks like it's, I don't, what I was expecting. I was expecting this to be really loose, but it seems pretty tight. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't mess with this because, yeah, maybe I shouldn't mess with this because, I don't want to ruin what's already on there. And I think it has a good compression already. What it was is that you need to kick it with your leg. When you do it with your arm and everything, it's not really good enough. You need to kick it with your leg to have a good compression. You need to do it fast. You need to hit it fast. So So we're gonna go ahead and put on the washers back on, put everything back on. I know it's a little bit of wasted time and stuff, but sometimes I like to go ahead and be thorough with everything. And okay. So basically, we're going to go ahead and go on and to look onto the carburetor, put that back together, haven't put it back together, and then I want to put it on this guy and just put the gas on and everything. Good, put the gas tank on. See if we get this thing to pop.